Ever wondered why that website you're working on is acting up? Or why that database isn't responding as it should? It could all boil down to some common server-side issues. First off, let's address the issue of server overload. This happens when a server gets more requests than it can handle. It's like being a bartender on a Friday night with a bar full of impatient customers. How to fix this? One word: scalability. You need to ensure your server can handle high traffic spikes. This may involve upgrading your server's hardware or moving to a cloud-based server that can easily scale up or down based on traffic. Secondly, we have the issue of slow server response time. This is like waiting for that slow barista to make your coffee while you're running late for work. The solution lies in optimizing your server's performance. This could involve compressing your files, optimizing your database queries, or using a content delivery network to speed up delivery of your website's files. Third on the list are server security issues. It's like leaving your house with the front door wide open. To fix this, ensure your server's software is up to date, use strong passwords, and consider using a firewall or other security measures. Next up, the dreaded server downtime. This is like planning a big party and the power goes out. To avoid this, ensure your server's hardware is reliable, keep your server's software up to date, and consider using a backup server or failover system. Fifth on the list is database connectivity issues. It's like trying to call someone, but the line is always busy. To solve this, check your database connection settings, ensure your database server is running, and check for any network issues. Number 6 is server configuration issues. This is like buying a new gadget but not knowing how to set it up properly. To fix this, always double-check your server configuration settings and make sure they are correct. 7th is the issue of outdated server software. It's like driving an old car that's about to break down. To solve this, always keep your server software up to date. 8th, we have the problem of server hardware failure. This is like your car engine suddenly stopping in the middle of the highway. To avoid this, always use reliable server hardware and consider using redundant hardware components. At 9, there's the issue of inadequate server resources. It's like trying to cook a big meal in a small kitchen. To solve this, ensure your server has enough resources such as memory, CPU power, and storage space. Finally, at 10, we have the issue of server compatibility issues. This is like trying to play a Blu-ray disc in a DVD player. To solve this, ensure your server software is compatible with the applications you're running. So in summary, we've tackled 10 common server-side issues: server overload, slow server response time, server security issues, server downtime, database connectivity issues, server configuration issues, outdated server software, server hardware failure, inadequate server resources, and server compatibility issues. Remember, the key to solving these issues lies in being proactive, keeping everything up to date, and ensuring your server has the resources it needs to function effectively. It might seem like a lot, but with a bit of patience and diligence, you'll have a server that runs like a well-oiled machine.